Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. If you're here with me in the Discord. If you're here with me in the Discord or the YouTube chat, go ahead and say what's up. Let's see who's with us. We got Billy Joe. We got Ribs Mod. Kelvin, Cyrus, Valentine, National Gold Chess Club, Fran, Retberg, Vadim, Darren, Session Flow, Julius, Fat Citizen, Phoenix, Hayden, Tiger Trader, Yuri, RTW, Fran, Spastric, SW, Hugo TS. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Dusk, Luke, Ethan. Morning to you, Victor, Sleazy Beat, Long Bull, Price Action Pete, Stefan, G-Man D, Otter, Banana, Doug, Kenny, Kev, Mo, Skunked, Ape, Elpar, Dips, Rhino America, Paul, Ryan, Anya, good morning, McNasty, M&A, Christian, DM, Lenny, Jose, Life to the Max, Adam, Sully, Snowboard, Marco S. Hey guys, does when he go off YouTube because of not enough likes, does he stream on Market Clubhouse? I stream on Market Clubhouse regardless. We're always on Market Clubhouse. We're there, Holy Earth. Love you right back there, buddy. Good morning, good morning. What's up, Side Cat, Ripper, Trader, Banana? So there was some news about the ceasefire hostage thing, and it just kind of broke, but I can't really hear it. Too many people talking about it at one single time. Something about it being done with. Why can't I find the headline? Weird. Anybody knows anything about that? Let me know. What's up, Answer Genius? How you doing there, buddy? I can't find anything about it now. It's annoying. Anyway. Oh, wow, this is way too intense. What? What is this music? Dude. Okay. There we go. Had like some insane music there. Ceasefire approved by Security Council. Thank you. That's what it was. Everybody's saying it all at the same time doesn't help me in the squawks. Not you guys and gals. Thank you, thank you. Boy, we are blasting up over the MC level right now. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Wonder if we can find a pullback below like 370 at all, if this thing is just going to keep on ripping all the way up to 388 and a half here. Final boss NQ monster to beat music. We do have news coming out today at 8:30. We'll talk about that in just a moment. I'm just eyeing to see if there's any extra trades that we could take here. So some news out from Redfin here. Pending home sales fell 4.5% month over month in December on a seasonally adjusted basis. That's the largest decline since October of 2022. We do get housing data out today. That's why they're releasing that data early. We do have today the preliminary building permits and housing starts for December. That's due out at 8:30. That's what we're going to be watching for. So stay tuned for that. Let's get those likes in early so we can stick around and actually trade the open together here on YouTube. Would be lovely. Now this thing is just grinding higher. I'd love to see like a sharper pullback to like 55 and then a huge bidder show up. That would be what I like to see. I mean, we're definitely breaking out now, but this is a big, big area. We're at 6,000 in the S&P. Big area here. Anybody actually long before this whole move started? See, war is long from 312. Yeah, we're pushing straight up now. So I'm guessing we'll probably tag above 388 here. A lot of stops getting popped. It is Mopex Friday, too. All right, I'm going to jump in here. I want to give this a chance to get above 388, and I will be adding to this if we pull back to like 370 or so. See if we can break above this liquidity at 82. If we can, that's super strong. A lot of displacement there from 70 basically to 80. 10 handle move. We are pushing above 6,000 as well now. I'm going to go for this. I want to see this strong exchange above 85 and then blasting off potentially into 400. $25 contracts here. We should be able to melt those down. I could do my part and help. Okay, watching on this pullback, this little slight pullback here to 85. I'm actually gonna put this like right there, just in case. This music is so dramatic. It's making the trade so much more dramatic than it should be. Okay, adding right here. Adding again. We'll see this push up above these 90s and go straight to 400 here. Okay, gonna peel off right into this seller, or into this buyer rather. I'm gonna be the counterparty to this buyer that we're pushing in above 90 here. Somebody's getting right in front of me. Get out of my way. Right there is where I'm looking. There we go. Got that buyer pushing into me. Nice. They got 3 more into this offer. Right there too. Let's see. Yeah, filled that one. And there we go. Filled those 3 out. Perfect. We got one as a runner now. So there we go. Little momentum trade to kick off our day. Up 1,500 bucks. Yeah, the news is we have ECB's Elderson speaking right now, talking about that we're not done cutting rates, which is great. We also have the hostage situation. Like a young man coming in for a quickie. Yes, that's what we did. Move that up so we get at least $25 more. Top of this morning to you, Mr. Bugs. How you doing today, buddy? Don't splash the f***ing pot. What a great film that is. That got a lot of people into poker. Okay, 400's taken out quickly here. Beautiful. A lot of people selling out 400, but I don't think it's stopping here. Yeah, I don't think it's going to stop here, actually. I'd be surprised if it stops here. There's way too many buyers in here. Way too many. Oh my gosh, the S&Ps went crazy here. Maybe we pull back to 6,000 the S&Ps, but I'd be shocked. Like there's no meaningful sellers on this tape yet. You can see there's people on the offer, but they're not selling. They're just getting out of longs. So I think we push. Yep, there you go. Pushing, pushing, pushing. 106 on the bid. They are not letting this thing chill. So that person at 106 on the bid, now they're walking it up. There they go. They got filled. You see that? There's somebody who was short, and they're saying, okay, you can come down here. If you're long, I got you, baby. I got you. You're long 100 contracts here. I got you. You can sell right into me. It's okay. Somebody did. They saw that. They had their catcher's mitt out. They're like, hey, come on down here. I got you. I got you for 100 contracts, whatever you need. Somebody was like, all right, fine, I'll take it. This is actually, this pattern is named after my friend Randall. Anybody know why? Nobody knows that one? Oh, there it goes. Maswell, you're pretty close. Savage. Oh, goodness. Moon or dust, baby, yeah. Well, we will intercept this if it pulls back to 400. Our order's at 401 halves. So, we saw a little bit of a blow off there above 405. You had a lot of shorts that put their stops right above 405 there. And that's what just got tagged. What caused the pump? Rewind the video. We talked about it right when we came on. The hostage situation, ECB member was speaking about rates not being done cutting for the year. Wow, there's still bidders on this tape. Wow, even after that pump. Aggressive bidders on this tape. Well, people are still wanting this long, believe it or not. A bidder of 135 on the tape there at 402 halves. Wow. What time frame is this? I wish it said on the screen somewhere. Like a number, I wish. This is the 1 minute time frame here. Smokey Bear Trades made 66,000 this week. Morning, Kenya. Can you see me now? I like that. That's so funny. Ninja Trader, not anymore, because we're trading on Top Step X. Right there. What are you looking at to know the bidder came in? Bookmap, baby. Bookmap. Link in the description below if you want to get Bookmap for yourself. Or this. Hold on. Wait for it. There it is. Nightbot. Thank you. Thanks, Nightbot. What broker did I go with? I posted that on my Twitter. Let's see who I wired into. Can you still pull out 100% if you have 30 trading days? Yes, of course. Of course you can. Wonder if we're gonna make 2,000 on this trade. If it keeps on pushing, we will. It's in the line of who I wired to. Caught that, how to stop it at 91. Nice work there, buddy. Looks like you had a nice recovery there. Too late to hop in the long? Well, somebody thought that same thing at 404 and they started booling into it. So, I don't know. You want to be like that guy at 404? Maybe. They had 300 contracts that said, hey, I think it's a long. Are you going to trade that account on the live stream? Yes. Yes, we will. Birdseed, you got a runner on? Me too, bub. We got double runners on right now. Me and you, bubbies. Rips, what are your VRVP settings? Ready? You can go back and pause the video. There you go. Should I place a long order up at the 608 zone? I mean, I'm not going to tell you how to trade. Remember, Ribs is not a professional financial advisor. Most day traders lose money. This stream is for entertainment only. Imagine listening to some idiot on YouTube like me. Surefire way to go broke. Colby says, I trade Forex pairs now, and even I had to check out the NAS this morning. Crazy move. Insane, right? What a retracement. Ribs, I took your advice and I didn't take your advice. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. That's how you ring the cash register, my friend. Snowboard Marco S says, your loss limit is 3K. Yeah? When you do that, are you done with real money or do you move to another funded account? Just trying to see your strategy. I'm going to be trading an account that has more than $3,000 worth of drawdown. So I don't know if that applies, but if I've if I've hit my maximum daily loss limit in the during this week or last week or whenever it happened, I've switched over to a practice account and traded that. Hey, look at that. Phoenix in the building. Hey-o.
That's what we call a sack lunch.
Num, 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 num. Nice work. RTW catching it. Phoenix catching it. Ethan catching it. Holy smokes. Everybody's getting it. I love it. Y'all are getting nasty this morning. I love a good long in the morning, don't you? Gets me all k***ed up. Wait, why can't I say that? AI, what are you doing to me? Really? Cock-a-doodle-doo? Oh, too quick for you that time. His Royal Trade says, I'm done for the day. Bricked up right now. Me too, man. I'm mega bricked up. Okay. I might have to peel one off here. We're coming to that super duper extra area here. I'm gonna move my stop at least. Let Siri tell you why what? What is she gonna tell me? Caught the overnight after grooming 5 individual combines. Grooming? Did you brush their hair? 3 lot on a copy trade long at 6:10 p.m. yesterday. 1 lot on the X-Faded, recovered from drawdown on close. I seconded the process, let the stop get hit, didn't diddle. Good. Use grooming and diddle in the same paragraph. That makes me a little bit nervous. Interesting choice of words. We're still going. Holy sh**. It's Friday, I'm sorry. You think we're gonna get 21,500? You think we're gonna go for it? If I wasn't watching rips, I would definitely have shorted 400s like a crazy. Hey, well, now you know. Some days you do the opposite of me, some days you don't. How do I get, there we go. There we go. Now I can see everything. Yeah, this is quite the move to have a runner on, right? Quite the move. We took off our first in the kerfuffleation in the 400 there. They run up to dump it at the newsprint. Oh, I would agree with you, but for the fact that we don't have a very important newsprint, I have to disagree with you. It's not all that important, I promise you. And bring that up a little bit more. 555s. I would fade 81, but you, hey, some days it works. I'm telling you what. Some days it works. I'm still figuring out how I'm going to trade the personal streaming account on the... I opened this account specifically for streaming. This is not my regular personal account. This is just for streaming. Because I love you folks so much, and I want to see if we can make some ducats together. That'd be so cool to do 100K to something. I don't know. Maybe we get to 120K. Who knows? Holy smokes, these poor shorts. Does anybody feel bad for them? Because I don't.
Got him.
Who would short a good market? What are you thinking? Get out of here. TradingView is not a broker. They're a platform. But that's the, we're going to be trading on TradingView platform. I feel like it's going to be the most similar to what we've been doing over here in Tops of X, right? Right? Somebody tell me I'm wrong. It's going to be the same, right? Is there a trading panel in TradingView that I can use? There is, right? Oh man, we have to scoot this up even more. Dang it, $700 guaranteed. Holy smokes. There's a whole trading panel, right? And it's like, I have the same access to this stuff right here, like this. I have those same buttons in TradingView, right? Because if I don't, whoa, we're in trouble. Doom, boom, doom, boom. Okay, there's a trading panel. Yeah, the dome sucks. I don't really use the dome. I use Bookmap for my dome. Trade-Evade is more like, well, you know, if I wanted to use Trade-Evade, I'd have to use them as a broker. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? 800. 429 quarters. Whoa, I just got here. What happened? We got lucky. Some days we get lucky. We caught our friend Randall. This is our friend Randall right here. This is Candle Randall. Good old Randall, back at it again. Randall is a little rascal. Isn't he? Come on, keep pushing. I want to move my stop to 1,000. What do we have room to? Yeah, like 475 now, next move. Where are we at? 429? That's fair. Am I bullish? Nah. I'm shorting this thing as we speak. Can you see the number of orders in Bookmap? I can. That's why I use it. I missed the train but had the mental to not jump in stupidly nowhere. I like that. It's one of the hardest moves to catch if you're not early to it. We were like pretty-ish early. Not exactly early, but pretty-ish early. Was Bookmap? Doug, you've been here for a hot minute. It's right there. It's above my dome. Above my head. There. That's Bookmap. See these little numbers right there? That's right here. These are the numbers of contracts being exchanged as we speak. This is somebody bidding 30 contracts there. Can get really zoomed in if we want. Look at that. Look at that exchange right there. How about that? See that? That's what we call slippage right there. Somebody's like, this is bull. I never even put that there. That's a market order. You did, buddy. And they filled you up there because they're dastardly. You've been using MapBook? Oh, that's not the right one. I use Bookmap, my friend. Yolanda says, I caught the move and got out. Made my dough this morning. Way to go. Get him. Samson says, man, woke up, logged in, saw the rip, jumped in, and already made a stack. Great lucky start to the morning. Amen. I want to talk to Samson. Major credit to rips, not hesitating, jumping on. That is not easy in markets to swing 100 points in 1 minute lately. Seriously, that is not psychologically easy. You got to separate yourself from the quiche. Fly me to the moon. Can we stay long? I'll allow it. I will allow it. Because you asked nicely. I'm going to join this fella right here at 36. How did your psychology change when you switch over to live account? Anything changed? I traded my own money for years and years and years, so I only started trading on props since June 2023. And I did it because it's helpful. It's helpful for my group. It's helpful for the stream in the sense that people can actually trade with me, follow along, do their own journey without killing themselves financially. But there was no difference because I'm used to it. Done it before. The very first time I started trading real money back in 2014, you're a little bit nervous. It's more exciting than nerves, I think. I got very, very lucky the first time I ever traded. Oh, we tagged that 37. Can we hold? Big order at 35 now. They'll probably take that out. Big liquidity there. So they'll probably take me out first. Oh! Oh! Ah! 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 Oh! Look at that. My homies saved me on that one. The bidders. Thank you, bidders at 37. You saved me. I don't think they're going to hold. I think they're going to get this 35 liquidity. There's 28 beautiful contracts down there. It is crazy how thin it is as we are up in this the nosebleeds here. Rich, which broker are you going to use for your personal account trading? It's posted on my Twitter. Man, those bidders. Shouts out to my bidders, dog. They saved your boy. Help me, OB bidders at 37 Kenobi. We need to clear out into the 450 level. There's 53 contracts waiting up there, but I promise you there's way more than 53. Brian Johnson says, I put on a long and went to the bathroom and made 450. Did you use lotion? News in 4 minutes. That is right. Well, less now, 2.5 minutes. Damien says, I'm super new to this, first time seeing this bookmap stuff. Hey, well, welcome. Bro took the richest dump in history. I wonder what is the richest dump in history. There's got to be somebody that holds that record. It's got to be a crypto coin or something. Fart coin. Light a match and wash our hands. Oh, goodness. All right, let's see what happens with the news. We got our stop in place. It's 36. There we go. Tickle, 450 liquidity. Wow, an order book is clearing out. They're still sitting there, though. 39 more contracts. What do we take? There's somebody intercepting. Ooh, yeah. Somebody's intercepting all that. Guarantee is probably about 200-300 contracts that we'd have to break on through to the other side. What? Break on through to the other side. Unicorn fart coin. Yeah, there's a capper of 450. Yes, indeed. There's a lot of people joining them too. About a minute, 10 seconds till the news. And again, this is not high impact news, so don't feel like this is going to move the market 100 points, because it's not. Famous last words, but still. What broker are you using with your live account to connect to TradingView with? It's posted on my Twitter. Previous day high is 570-ish, right? What is this? High is 67? Go, baby, go! All right, 20 seconds, everybody. Now, this is a runner. I'll tell you what, this is a runner. Just do me a favor and don't take my stop out. Don't do it, please. Please. Here we go, 5 seconds. And bing bong biggity. Yeah, there she went. 1.49 million building permits at better than expected. Oh, what a good economy we have. Holy smokes. 60% jump since December. Wow. Housing starts month over month, 16%, not 60, 16. Wow. Wow. What a big number. Well, that's somebody knew something. Hence the market catching infinite bid. Are all the permits? Stop it. Stop it. This is from December, so be nice. Be nice. Tag the MC level. How about a good old 457, huh? How's she doing? Like a magnet. That thing sucked it in like a tractor beam. What does housing starts mean? It's the number of houses that are going to be built. They're permits. They're housing starts. So new housing starts. Like brand new homes being built. Wow, blow off top there above the MC level. I do believe that we can guarantee ourselves at least $1,100 more on this contract. What is a house? It is what I am built like. Brian says, you're about to make more on the runner than your original trade. Amen, brother. Amen. My kind of runner. A trades all with micros. Way to go, buddy. Hey. Holy gorgeousness. Look at this thing go. We have officially crossed the threshold of the runner being worth more than the OG Kushner position. Wow, poor short. Imagine shorting this move at some point. You got to wait for real exhaustion. Where would you actually want to short this move? Maybe like a break of, I mean, even back down to 400. Well, it's scary. Boy, anybody who had an overnight short is just getting filleted right now. By the way, you know what day it is today? Third Friday of the month. What does that mean? Third Friday of the month is what? Come on, you folks know. MOPEX. That's right. It's monthly options expiry today, which is why we're getting the funky chicken dance here. Hey, quick question for you. Let's get personal. Come here. Come here. Come here. I'm talking to you. Come here. Come here. Did you click the like button yet? Are you serious? You didn't click it yet? What are you doing? We got a runner like this and you didn't even click the like yet? Are you kidding me? What the f is wrong with you? If you're not going to click it, just leave. The runner is running away. Somebody stop this thing. We got Forrest Gump on the tape. Nah, seriously, if you're not going to click that like button, you should leave. I mean that. Just get out of here. How would you get involved now? Yeah, you got to wait. I can imagine the FOMO that you must be feeling if you're not in this trade, and I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I feel really bad, actually, if you're not in this trade. $1,500 guaranteed on the final runner. Should we make it $1,590 just for S and Gs? Yeah, let's do that. We're going to make more on the runner than we made on the OG Kushner position. Guaranteed now. FOMO is very bad right now. I'm sorry. This thing is shooting up like a rocket. Somebody gave the market a blue pill this morning. It's crazy because the S&Ps I figured would have had at least a little pullback. We are at that level right now that if it explodes through this level in the S&Ps, this is going to push the market to like way above PDH. Way above PDH. Fat Guy says, I wish somebody would come and punch me in the dick. Thank you for your insight. Are you in Las Vegas? I'm handing out free punches. Oh, goodness. What to do? What do I do? Just enter like a moron? Well, I mean, no. Can wait for a pullback that's never coming. Here's 500. Watch us rip through this thing. There's still shorts that are like, okay, there's gonna be pops, stops being popped. Let's see this. I want to see this in real time. Go, go, go. Do your thing. Wow, bidders are relentless in this tape. Oh man, they just ate up those orders at 500. See continuation now. Lot of stuff moving and shaking right now. We have a lot of stuff in the Mag 7 that's kind of cooking right here. If Nvidia breaks above this level, S&Ps break above this level, this is like bangarang up here. Is this the pullback? You know what happened there? Somebody at 500 just got long and the market went, oh, you just got long, did you? That's how the market works. Our stop is at 69 giggity goo. So if we get tagged, we get tagged, and we make an extra $15.95 on this trade. Of course I know that guy. He's me. Uh-oh. Oh no. Just when the shorts thought they could get a little bit of control. Did they really only get 19 points, 20 points? Uh-oh. 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 Luke says, I pulled the trade off at 497. The micros had a goal of the top of 500 across my two accounts, and I've got it, so I think I'm locking out over 1,100 total. Brilliant way to end the week in your express funded. Let's go. Give it up. My man. God bless you, Luke.
That's what we call a sack lunch. Nom, 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 nom.
That's what we call a sack lunch, baby. All right, we might be retesting these 500s here in a jiffy. John is long from 341. Wow. Want to trade? We're 389 down here, which, by the way, is pretty dang cool. 389. Hey, not too shabs, huh? Nick, do you recommend a book map? I'm not Nick, but is there Nick in here? I don't see a nick in here, but we can pretend for a moment. I can role play. I've never used one before, but I want to add it to my arsenal. Here we go. There's a link. Hola, Rips. Just passed my first combine. Give it up for Luke Part 2. We got another Luke in here. The Lukes are just ripping it today. Ho ho! Luke Daddy. Thanks, Patrick. You're insane. How much you up today, buddy? What was that, 15,000? Why don't you take profit at 21,500? Because maybe we go higher. It's worth me risking the extra $415, or $405 rather. I'm risking $405 on that we could potentially make another $800. Came in late, but at least I just signed a new business controller in my company. Congrats with the runners. Nice work there, Ole. Mr. Henrique. Nice job. We are bumping, is that even the real VWAP? Is it really? No, what is that? That's the EMA. We're bumping up against the EMA right now. I believe that's the 7, the 9. I don't even know my own EMAs. Just got back in, tight stop. Good luck. Good luck. We are at, our stop is at 69, which is probably pretty likely to get tagged now. That was quite the run up there. From 8:30 on, that was an insane run up. That was like the fastest run up since that extension. That was just. And oh, there we go. Stopped out. All right, we're up $3,169 today. And then the reversal. Everybody loved that 69 number, huh? Oh my goodness, really? 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 Where'd they tag us? Dude, 69, what? How they, what was the fill there? Did they even fill? Oh my gosh, 69 exactly. The thing was they brought the bid down to 68 quarters. Nobody filled at the bid, but that's where my stop triggered. What was my actual fill? Doo 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 boop boo doo doo boo. What is this? Hold on. Where's my actual fill? Today's the 17th. What's my actual fill here? Why does it say 3? This doesn't really organize my orders very well. Hello? Like, why? That's annoying. I can't even see where I got filled. I suppose I could do this. $68 quarters? Sir, that never printed. 68 quarters. Wait, oh, there's me. Ah, look at that. That's us. We are the bottom tick of the extension there. We found us. Look at that. Go to the book map here. That's us. That's literally us right there. Hello. Me and 3 other, it was me and 2 other contracts because 3 got filled there. Look at that. We can break us up even more. So we were, oh, there's more than that actually. Okay, I don't feel so bad now. So that was probably us right there. There's our exact order. Right there, we filled at 8:39, 4 seconds, 99 milliseconds, 564 nanoseconds, 300 decaseconds, or whatever you want to call that. What's after nanoseconds? That is our exact fill right there, 68 quarters. You dirty dog, you. And not a tick lower it went. Goldman, why do you watch the stream? Wow, what a rebound, huh? Picoseconds, thank you. Pico, thank you, thank you. That's right, picoseconds. What did I say? Decaseconds. That's not right. Micro, nano, pico. What's after pico? Tetrahedra. Femto. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Why is this still all jacked up here? I gotta fix this. What are you doing over here? Hold on. There we go. There we go. All right. Came back up, touched 500, rejected once more. Go back to hiding this crap on my screen. After Pico is the gallo. Oh, that's good stuff. Dude, I guess we shouldn't have been so fun with the 69 giggity joke. Oh, dang it. Could add a little bit more. A little bit more. So we're rejecting at 6,020 as well in the S&Ps. We pulled back all the way to 6,012, but the S&Ps are having some trouble up here. STL says, your top step link doesn't give a discount. Good sales tactic. Yes. If it's your very first combine, it gives you a deeper discount. The 60% is reflected on whatever the regular prices used to be. So technically it is discounted. It also does support me when you do click that link. Helps me out tremendously. If you don't want to support me, don't click the link. New York gonna take it all back? Maybe. Maybe. Quite possibly. If you are enjoying the stream, you know what to do. Hit that like button. I love the stream. Great trade. You're like a brother to me, Nick. Who's Nick? I'm not Nick. Who the heck is Nick? Very dangerous to short now. Yeah, I don't like the short up here. I don't. Especially when we rejected so hard off the 69s. Good morning, Nick. We do have a Nick. It's Nick for a tick. That's my dog. Oh my God, there it really goes now. We are going for that previous day high. Rip the Nick. What about Nick Dolby? That's right, we got Nick Dolby as well. We got a lot of good Nicks in here. New highs, Coach Hoop in the building. What's up, buddy? Hive day now at 510 spot 75. It's crazy how fast it pulls back when we're ripping like this. That's what someone named Nick would, who's wearing just a Rips disguise would say. Oh, that's funny. Hey, Nick, how do you handle the market if it struggles at a level? For example, 21,500. When to get out of the trade or put on more to the trade? It's difficult when it's going crazy like this. I could have held on a little bit longer, but we put our stop up at 69. I thought that would be enough to, I thought 70s would hold, but we really got ticked out on that one, 68 quarters. So it is what it is. But the market's getting really, very tricky up here because we've been going up and hard for so long. We've probably blown out most of the overnight shorts at this point. We do have some liquidity that's going to be above PDH, which is previous day high. But do we risk it to get the biscuit? I don't know if it's worth it. The confidence in the setup after we've been drilling it to the sky is very low. You know what I mean? I think Nick traded this. Nick for a tick, did you trade this at all? I think he's got an options play on. Hitting the longer term trend line where we rejected yesterday, we could do that as well. It just becomes, the confidence for a trade setup becomes extremely low. I would have been adding on the way up if I had extreme confidence in the trade that we're going to get up this high this quickly. I thought at least we'd get a pullback. That's kind of what I was waiting for to add into my runner, but we never got it. And I was happy to get stopped out, even though it was the bottom tick of the market. Oh, well, the extension, I should say. It was this right here. This is exactly where we got stopped out, which is the bottom of the pullback. So Thing is still going. It just becomes very tricky on when this thing will actually have a proper pullback, like a real retracement. I mean, this thing has been boosting to the sky here. If we take it from basically when the move started to where it's at now, is that the right tool? Boop. Boop. Well, I guess I'd have to do it like this. I'd like to see this thing pulling back to that 45, 47, 50 level. Right around here. Bit of a retracement would be lovely. You know what I mean? What is this boost all about? We talked about it at the start of the stream. Multiple catalysts. It pays to show up early to the morning stream here. Promise you. It's worth your time. Video Kingdom says, what a trade. Went in at 21,222s. NQ closed at 21,369. What made you close at 369? Vladimir says, Rips, how are you? Can you give me any examples or exercises how to make visualizations before trading? Thank you. Close your eyes. Be in a place where you can relax. Maybe put on some light music so your mind doesn't start to wander. Maybe it will, but visualize yourself putting on a trade. Think about the last time that you put on a trade where it was a nice big winner. And remember and how that felt when you're going through the motions. Continue to visualize that. Go through it. Walk yourself through that. See yourself putting on that trade. See yourself, if you're long, it's going up and up and up and up. You're seeing your profit rise more and more and more. And then where did you close it? Remember that time that you felt that trade. Go through that. And just continue to think of that moment. Just walk it through over and over and over. That's all you have to do. Flush out any thoughts that you have about trades that went awry. Just focus on that trade that went really, really well. Just keep thinking about it. Thinking about it. That's how you visualize things. That's what I do before I play poker. Think about myself stacking a stack of cranberries. For those who don't know, stack of cranberries. Stacks are 20 chips, right? So a stack of 5Ks would be 100K. Stack of cranberries would be $500,000. So I visualize myself cutting a stack of cranberries, shuffling them around. I just visualize it. What does that feel like? How do my fingers feel? What does it smell like? What's the room feel like? That's visualization. What brand of chips? Aria or Bellagio? What's your opinion on the news coming up? Well, it's at 9:15, so 15 minutes before the open. About 30 minutes from now. We have capacity utilization, industrial production, manufacturing production, and that is kind of it for the day of news, but I don't think it's going to move the markets all that much. Is it the cranberry, the color of the chips? Yes. They're sort of magenta at Bellagio. At Aria, they are cranberry colored. My smart home is trying to cook me again. Why? Stop it. It's not even that cold anymore. It's friggin', holy smokes, we're still going. What is it right now? 39 degrees, not that cold. All right, are we going to the previous day high? That is the question. We had a breakout of 510s. Problem is that people keep on trying to short this move. And you can't blame them. God bless them. But still, I would not be short into this market yet. And I know, I get it. As somebody who wants to short the market, you want to get the tippy top. I just don't think it's ready yet. You need to break back below that 440 level. It ain't ready yet. So many shorts hurting right now. I agree. 6 degrees in central Utah. What part of Utah are you in there, Alpha Dredge? What is central Utah? Is that like Provo? Let the Trump rally begin. There you go. James says, 5th green day in a row in XFA. Taking my first payout. Mornings with you, Rips, is a ritual. Yo, give it up for James. Nice work, buddy. Taking that payout. Yeah, the more people short it, the more the market goes up. It's the moon juice. Market needs moon juice to go up. Moon juice is created by shorts, early shorts. I mean, that's what caused this Ripacito from here to here. Moon juice. Here to here. Moon juice. Richfield. Very nice. I almost killed myself 2 days ago slipping on ice. There's some ice in my yard. Been walking to my gym and zip, almost died. First time I've experienced the ice out here. Crazy. Gets so dang cold. Knock it off. Ice in Las Vegas, I know. It's crazy. All right, why are you trying to cook me? Silly smart house here. There you go. Now what? I win. I'm overriding you. Turned off the smart mode. Not very smart if I'm cooking. It's R1 says, just want to say thank you. Again, you're extremely informative, straightforward with information, calm during intense situations. I really appreciate you. You've helped me so much the last couple weeks. Thanks for tuning in, man. I have a smart pool too. My pool is always set to 88 degrees. The spa is always set to 100. And it's self-cleaning. Like, I've never had a smart pool before. But this thing is the nuts. I don't know if this will show up, but there you go. That thing is the nuts. Tell you what, that's the nut high. Thing's awesome. So if you look at my yard right now, my pool looks like a swamp because it's like the steam coming up from it. I guess swamp isn't the right adjective or noun, verb, word. But it's cool. It's a cool effect because I have like the blue lights and then you see like the steam rising up. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I had no idea that they made smart pools that clean themselves. I had no clue. Bought this house and I was like, well, that's a feature I didn't know that I wanted. Trading View plus CQG. Yeah. Yes, let's do it. If it doesn't work, we can go to Rhythmic later. All right. Oh, dang, that was an hour ago. I should have responded to that. What is the pink line on my chart? That is a point of control for the visible range volume profile. Yeah, so we're going to be using CQG to connect to TradingView, apparently. NQ Trader says, I use a CQG connection with TV through broker, works great. We're going to find out if I like TradingView or not. If I don't, we'll probably go to Ninja Trader. Good old Ninja. If not, then Motive Wave. If not, then Quantower. I don't know. We'll do whatever. We'll do whatever. A toss is solid too. Yeah, I mean, I just want to do something that's easily communicated on what's happening in the positions I'm in and all that. TradingView works on a Mac too. What's wrong with TopSubX? I can't deposit money in TopSubX. Am I done with TopSubX? No. Why would I be? It's funny. Free money. CQG was on the floor at CME, usually super reliable. I've never used them before, but I've heard very good things. Thank you for that, Coach Hoop. Ribs, can you talk through an example of what you'd like to see on the book map to give you confidence on a long through the break of support? Maybe using the POC as an example. I mean, there's nothing here and now that gives me any confidence to jump into a trade because we're so close to PD high, and we're also, I mean, we're seeing equal sides in the book. I'm not confident either way. We could have a sharp retracement in an instant. Not that I think that's going to happen, but I'm not super confident in the long. Once had a combine and trading view, and I wasn't over keen on it. Tops of X is 10x better. Interesting. Well, it could also be because of their connection. I don't know. Trying to visualize it on Bookmap. Well, we have equal bids and offers, but like for that move up, I saw people really chasing the bids up. So you saw people that were stuck short, especially when we have like this overnight move where we continue to grind higher. All of these shorts are trapped, and they're going to have stops that are, you know, here, 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 and then this is where the mother load is. And we're probably going for that, but I just don't have the confidence because I want to see, like, I would love to see a very sharp pullback first. But it just looks like it's going to grind higher and higher. Like, it really wants to take out PDH. And everything is booling right now. Everything is booling. Richard says, I want to get back in and run to the high or to 60.20. I tried at 60.25. It took me out. Did we even trade 60.25? No. What are you talking about? Or did you have like a buy stop up there? Yeah, we're booling now. Oh my. Thing is going crazy. Coming right to the top of the hour too. We are 90 seconds from the top of the hour. Gets above 570, it'll go another 100 points. Maybe. It very well could. Previous month mid would be the next target, I suppose. Look at how clean these charts. Clean your room. I want to get in, just have no idea where. I hear you. If we break above this level, there's a chance that we could just continue this push all the way up to PD high. Yeah, we're popping stops now above 40 there. Wow. She's cooking all right. Apparently by closing your eyes and pressing the buy button. Seems like that'd work, wouldn't it? Yeah, we are gunning for the mother load right now. Would love a sharp pullback to like 530. Ah, somebody's thinking the same thing there. Oh my God, that is a big short getting blown out there at 9. There's your big exchange, your 9 a.m. liquidity. Holy smokes, that was a lot. That was a lot of orders getting hit. 30 minutes till the open, everybody. Make sure you slam that lucky like button. 1,200 likes, we stream the open together. 1,200. And pull back to the 30s. Interesting. We're right now wrestling at the 50s. Let's see if we pull back to these 30s at all. Oh my God. There are so many people trying to get out of this short. Oh my gosh. That was like, they pressed the button so fast there. Wow. Any kind of pullback at all? Could try to scalp this to like 65s. Like I keep on waiting for a pullback that's never coming. That was a sharp pullback to 40s, but I wanted it to 30s. Sometimes you just don't get the setup that you want, right? Wow, big order there at 52 now. Dude, the last pullback was like right above 500 too. That was insane. Can we get any kind of fight in the pullback at all? Let's see. There we go, a little bit. And they took it right away. No chill. Okay, there we go. Pull back below 550. And still there's just so many people that are buying into this. Okay, let's see if we pull back to like 530 at all. I don't know if it's going to. Took a long from VWAP at 250 at the gym this morning. Hit my base, take profit 1,000. Fuming, I wish I adjusted the position correctly. It's okay. Plenty of market left to trade in your career, I promise. Do we have 500 likes, Strips Mod? Oh yeah, we do. All right, let's do a poll. Will the NQ end the day above or below, let's say 21,600? All right. Your votes are anonymous. Vote with honesty, please. Let's see if this is a real pullback that we could dance with. NQ Naz says, got 130 points on this trade. Happy with it. Nice. We got some points too. I don't know how many we got. I'd have to go back and check. And we missed another entry there. Jeez Louise. Oh my good Lord. A lot of people chasing up their bids here. All right, I'm gonna jump in really quickly. We'll add on a pullback. There we go. Nice previous day high sweep there. And we're gonna take that off. Beautiful. Look at that. $3,800. We wanted that pop over PDH. That's all I was looking for on that trade. Quick scalp over PDH. That's all we wanted. Does it continue to go? Not my business. Not my business. Sorry I didn't have this trade screen open, but hey, we're up almost $4,000 now. There we go. Yeehaw! If you blink, you miss it. Right? If you blink, you miss it. This is the move we were going for. We got in thusly, we got out thusly. Bing, bang, boom. Just a little scalpacito there. Now the question becomes, do we have any meaningful pullback since we swept PD high? Sounds like a high school named after Petey. Hey, Petey, where'd you go to high school at? I went to Petey High. That's really stupid. That's got to be the worst dad joke ever. Do you have a training program? No. I have a live stream that I do live every single morning here on YouTube, 8 a.m. Eastern time, and you're in it. Welcome. Let's get 1,200 likes. Come on, we can do this. Ribs is every option expiration Friday this crazy. Mopex is generally pretty wild, but not, sometimes it's very rinsy. So no, it's not a guarantee, because if it was, you could just trade one day out of the month every single month and just be fine. Never have to trade ever again. There are some longs that are wrestling to get out of these positions now, so book has definitely changed a little bit, slightly. What lot size are you running? We did a 3 lot on that little frickadees to the top side there for a quick little $700 scalp, or whatever it was. I don't remember what our P&L was before the scalp. Speaking of dad jokes, did you know that Yoda from Star Wars has a last name? It's Lei-Yee-Hoo. Oh, that's good stuff. Dad jokes always get me. Good stuff. P&L was 31.69. Was it actually 31.69? No way. Was it? I didn't know we actually had a P&L ending in 69. I thought it was just the where our stop was. I didn't know that. How about that? Dude, sellers are still not here? Oh my God, they're gonna get wrecked. They're still not here. What gives? Why, sellers? Why? What are you thinking? I think a lot of the algorithms have turned off waiting for the market open. Now they'll probably come on in about 13 minutes. Speaking of, hit that like button before 13 minutes is up and we'll hang out. I want to hang out. Yeah, we're just seeing the same thing. Sweep low, stops getting popped up higher. Sweep low, stops getting popped, getting higher. And up we go. Big Kahuna says, took last 2 weeks off from trading, needed a timeout, but stopping every day to like the stream. Y'all should do the same for Ribs. Thanks, Big Kahuna. Congrats on taking a break, too. It's super helpful. Will absolutely help your trading out quite a bit. Call my wife, honey, pack our bags. I won the lottery. She asked me, should I pack for warm weather in Maui or cold weather in Aspen? I said, I don't care as long as you're out by 6. Oh, goodness. I bought a pen that can write underwater. It can write other words too. I don't know why they're always so funny. This market is fueled by FOMO. Well, a lot of things actually. Wonder when shorts are going to feel comfy in a market like this, because you know they're very shy at this point. A lot of them are going to be piling in for the sweep of PD high. All the sophomores that go to PD high. Why does a duck have feathers so you can't see his butt quack? Oh goodness, we're getting all the good ones now. Pull back to 500 would be insane. You can see though, a lot of algorithms have turned off now. A lot of them. Dude, I'm up 3,800. I have no FOMO right now. I'm happy. I'm just looking for other follow-up trades if we have any. But right now we don't. Not in my wheelhouse. Maybe off the open. PD high class of 2007. I went hunting with my dad and brother. The sign said bear left, so we went home. Oh my word. Hey Ribs, how are going with your trade course video series? I haven't started it. There seems to be a demand for it, so I'll probably get around to doing it. This music is way too intense, dude. Come on. What is going on? Can we get some like relaxing, like, there you go. Still juicing. Pulled back again to 570. That could have been a level to long at, but I didn't trust it. New high of day incoming. We just printed a new high. Coming back down. Jimmy says, I think I'm gonna cry. Our friendship with Rips has felt like forever, like almost a year. We've been streaming for quite some time now. Otter says, still thinking about making some vlogs. Yeah, if there's demand for it, sure. I'll do whatever you folks want. Rips, I want to buy my husband his dream car for our anniversary this year. Thank you for helping me stay on target. Nice work. There you go. Love your picture too. Is that a panther or an actual cat? Going for 600s now. Not a lot of defense at 600s, mind you. Crazy. see if we can pull back right underneath 600 and go for another scalp here. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, this market is cracked right now. That is right. We do have news in less than 3 minutes. We're going to see all the industry news, so it's going to affect the Dow more than the Nas, but it still can shake things up. Oh my goodness, we're still cooking. Still going. Very rare air up here. Let's see what happens. We have 2.5 minutes till that news. Order book is starting to clear out a little bit. Slightly, ever so slightly. Wow, this escape room is really hard, bartender says. Sir, this is a brewery. Wow, still going, still going. We're so close to the news, though. It's very tricky to put on a position this close to the news. Even though we're booling. We are booling and booling and booling. Yes, there was news that caused this move. Talked about it at the top of the stream. If only you didn't get literally bottom ticked with that last runner. I know, we'd be up even more dollars. We'd be up another 2,000. Yeah, I see levels above like 700s now, but that's a tall order. And I don't think we can get that before the open. 90 seconds till the news now. 90 seconds. 90 seconds. Every time we pull back, there are a lot of bidders that are stepping in, but I want to see a thick, thick bid. Thick. Thicky thick. Just made back all my losses after lazing 4 trades in a row. Nice. Is this the last day of the Biden administration? It is. Yes, indeed. Oh, I wish we could get in. 45 seconds. 45 seconds till the news. Till the news. Gotta be patient. Let's wait for a reaction on this news here. Okay, what is going on? I swear I just did an override on this. Don't tell me it overridden my override. It did? Okay, that's enough out of you. There we go. All right, 20 seconds till the news. Is this the Biden bump? That's just what Hunter does in the bathroom. Hello, industry? Give us the numbers. Why? Why are you doing this? Give us the dang numbers. Okay, 0.9%, there it is. A little late on the data. Yeesh. Wow, they're really blowing these out now. Holy smokeroonies. Capacity utilization kind of in line. Industrial production up 60 basis points above where it was. Not a big deal. I mean, it is good news. I want to see if we can get a meaningful pullback. We're so close to the open now. Landon says, if I use Bookmap and trade MES, what is the symbol I should use in Bookmap, ES or MES? I would say ES. It's going to guide you a lot better. Because sometimes the MES can look a little thin on the book. It's the same trade, but I would use ES. Dude, we're holding these 610s. There we go. Okay, nice pullback. Let's see how low we can go on that pullback. Show me a meaningful pullback. Show me potato salad. It just doesn't want to do it. Means we have more pump. Come on, pull back a little bit more. Let us have some fun. We are back again at interesting levels here in the S&P. 60-40 would be the next level to tag in the S&Ps, which we probably are seeing. Yep, 60-33, big liquidity, and 60-40. Shocker. See, that's how you know you're on the ticket there. When you can look, before you even look at the book map, before you look at even the dome, you can see where all those orders are resting. That's when you know you're locked in, baby. Oh, did we miss the pullback to 600? Dang it, we did. It's so close to the open now. What does Bookmap help you with? Reading the liquidity. Ah, dang it, we missed that pullback. Dang it. That was the one. That was the one that we wanted to pepper into here. Now it looks like the potential that we go all the way to 700 is definitely up there. We're gunning for 60-40, I guess. We're gonna have a little bit of impedance up there at the 33s because they're layered there. See if we pull back below these 20s at all. New high of day at 25 right now. Looks like we're gonna shatter that ceiling. Okay, deeper pullback. Yeah, algorithms are lacking here. This song is like driving me nuts right now too. That's too much. Yeah, the gunshots going. Like, dude, I'm trying to trade here. Get out of my dome. That was horrible. I might change the whole vibe here. That was terrible. That was better. Give me some synth wave. Open, they sell off all day. Hey, that's a bold prediction. Let's see. Let's see, Cotton. Bro, that track was sick. See, there's something for everybody. Jeff says, does the discount link actually give any discount for Top Step? It does if it's your very first combine. Jeff looks like a really nice guy, by the way. Look at Jeffrey here. WTF happened? Woke up, saw you up 600, now down 3,600. Oof, tough start to 2025. Jeff, you seem like a nice guy. You seem like a really nice guy. I love the oof with multiple O's. Oof, got him. I'm so mad. I'm gonna get this streamer. I'm gonna try to bring him down to money level. I love people like that. They just crack me up. Poor Jeff. I like the original Jeff. The original Jeff is cool. If it was only like 2 O's and oof, but they were like, oh, I want to make them feel it. Oof. I love the multiple O's because they were like, oh man, I'm gonna cook on this one. Do you use whitening products? Quest. I use Quest white strips. Crest white strips. Tried longs like 500 times yesterday. Now I see this today and I wasn't in great. Yeah, it happens. Generally how the market works. Tell Jeff you'll cry all the way to Bobby's room in your Ferrari. See, it sounds like it's a joke sentence, but then you say it. Geez, is that all it took to trigger you? All I ask is if it gives coupon. LOL. Jeff, it's okay, buddy. We're just clowning on you. It's okay. Take the piss, my friend. We're just making fun of you, dude. He thought you would never recover from. Oof. The captain trader up over 50 G's. Let's go, baby. What account are you trading in? Do we have enough likes to trade the open? I don't know. We are 8 minutes away. No, we don't. What the heck? Press the like button. I feel like it's people like Jeff who don't press the like button. They probably press the thumbs down button. Jeff is the kind of guy who's probably a thumbs down kind of guy. We are 100 likes away right now. Very easy to do. Very simple. Hey, Aaron. We're not laughing with you, we're laughing at you. We need rock music. I don't know if I have royalty-free rock music. We can do it. We're only 33 likes away. 30 likes away. You can do it. As Ice Cube used to say, you can do it. Just put your back into it. Never a dull moment. I love the chat history feature on YouTube. It's hilarious. It's hilarious. We are so close right now. Wow, there's a pullback. Have you ever seen one? Smash that like button. Yes, indeed. Put your meat on that like button and give it a mushroom stamp. What? Banana. Chill. Trade Bitcoin. Okay. All right. Hey, we did it. 1,200 likes. We did it. Yes. Is this the algo soft? No, this is why we didn't get in long, though. It's a thin market. Chris says, I saw you open your personal account to trade here. You gonna trade just that one or switch back and forth between personal and Top Step Live? We're probably gonna do both. Probably gonna do both. Since I saw you on Top Step, I'm a big fan of you, Mr. Love here. Hey, thanks, Ward. Appreciate you, man. Goldman Sachs sell-off incoming? I don't know, because they had a shot right there. Give me a second. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Wow. Holy smokes. Market's crazy. Wow, pull back to 83 to 628. Holy smokes. Some angry algos in this tape, I'll tell you what. Have you said somewhere why you're such a good trader? I haven't, but I don't think that I am. Meat washing break. How'd you know? I figured out what was the issue with my HVAC. I turned off the smart system for my wife in the bedroom. So she's probably cold as ice right now. So I had to fix that. All-time high, we're not even close. And I can't trade this before the open because it's way too tricky. Like right before the open happens. Imagine if we still had a runner on it. Yeah, you see that? Holy. Jeez Louise. Oh, that's a lot of stops getting popped. Holy smokes. 60-30, there's that tag. Yes. Wow. Holy smokes. Market's just not gonna wait. We are 2 minutes from the open now. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Oh my goodness. This thing has just gone crazy. Oh my God. We are up 500 and almost 500 points from the lows. Okay then. Who hurt you? Jeez. Imagine if you caught that. Oh my God, there it goes. Holy crap. Yeah, but then there it goes back. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is like the no-chill OPEX market. Yeah. Ugh, I hate this. That is scary, dude. 80 down to 55 and then back up. Riggedy, riggedy, rinse. I don't like it. That is violence, baby. Ah, it's so gross. So gross. I don't like that at all. That was a blow off top for ages right there. Okay, here we go, everybody. Fasten your safety belts. We're going to trade the open together. Going into the open with 38.75. Let's try not to lose it all. Let's go for the wins. Market snorted a line. Yes, indeed. Ah, so scary. Already down 40 points from the tickle tickle. Ah, good luck. 30 seconds till Boomtown, everybody. 30-second warning. Check your positions at the gate. Hi, Sorrow. What's up? Justin says, been waiting for a day like this. Up 5K so far in my Express. I hope you are flat and up 5K. I would love to hear that. 10 seconds. It's the final countdown, ladies and gentlemen. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. This is going to be a very violent open. Violence is on the menu. Sarl says, they're not trading today. Well, hey, take a Friday off for yourself. Here we go. Oh, my Lord. They are angry. A lot of people just did a little bit of an open dump from their overnight longs, I'm guessing. Where are we pulling back to, though? This music is so intense. Up 1,500 each of my two 50K combines done now. Nice work there, Hydro. Way to go, buddy. Let's be patient. We're up 4 racks. Let's be patient. Oh my God, those are some stops getting popped. Jeez. Oh my God. Violence. Keep in mind, we're almost up 2% in the NASDAQ. What in the world is happening? What in the world? How are we up almost 2% at the open? I love you, NASDAQ. How do you do it? We're up almost. This is so crazy. Doomslayer forever. You were the one who said rug it all day, right? Holy smokes, what a sell-off. Is this a Trump market? This is the day before Trump market. That's for sure. Rivs, we won't be mad if you choose to not trade, LOL. I'm just waiting. I'm being patient. We're bumping off of the previous day high right now. Could be something here. It's just very violent. The sellers are so angry. They said, wait, why did you take our ball away? They're so upset. Right. Ooh, that's got to be a new term in here. Make sure you add the extra O's. Emphasize. Oof. It's like that meme. Oof. Nice, Nick. Can't wait for the Trump market. I mean, if you don't like this open, I mean, not the open, but if you don't like the run up to the open, I don't know what can really change your mind. What is your preferred platform? I started trading on Ninja Trader when I started trading futures. Well, I did TD first and then Ninja Trader when I was just independently trading futures. And then we've been trading here on Tops of X, so I like Tops of X. It's a nice platform. So we're gonna do our personal streaming account. We're gonna do that one on TradingView. So we'll see how that works out. Yeah, that's the meme. The oof size large. You know, that 350 points straight up in 90 minutes, you don't love trading. Amen. God bless. Love Ninja, hate commissions. What are the commissions on, what's a round trip on Ninja? Talk to me, Dana. What is the commissions on a round trip on Ninja? Claris asks, what capital are you starting on personal? I posted on my Twitter. Go give that a like. Drop a comment. My Twitter account is going to pop up right here. Yay, what's the best? Give me the best. Selling Rips right there. At Selling Rips. Got a blue check mark on X and on Instagram. Follow me on both, please. I give more behind the scenes on X. Or I'm sorry, on Twitter. Or on... Hello, Rips. Wake up. On Instagram. More behind the scenes on my Instagram stories. More trading related stuff on Twitter. We are sweeping below the previous day high now. Oh my goodness, imagine if you were short this market from 675, you'd be dancing. Dude, what? This is crazy. This open is crazy. This is nuts. What an open. Rips, do you take another trade long? I don't know yet. I'm reading the order flow. Right now, I'm hands off, baby. We could go all the way down to 500 evens. Can I explain OPEX, Ribs? It's the monthly options expiration. So all of the monthly contracts expire today. There's only one monthly contract for January. It is expiring today. That's just how it works. Third Friday of every single month. Now you can trade weeklies. That's a new product that was introduced after monthlies, but monthlies have more volume in them. Contracts have much more volume, so you have much more displacement in the market, which is what we're seeing right now. There's, of course, zero DTs in the SPX and the NDX and the SPY and the triple Qs and other products like the VIX. But there's only one monthly contract in Tesla, Meta, Amazon, Google. There's no zero DTs, but there's weeklies. Does that make any sense? I'm rambling. Yeah, somebody tell me, what's a round trip in the NQ in Ninja Trader? What's a round trip in the NQ in Ninja Trader? What does it cost? Somebody's got to know this. Do I really have to look this up? Come on. We're driving in a Lamborghini Countach down the streets of Miami. Dude, no way it's $12 for a round trip in Ninja. Are you serious? $4.80. Okay. Dude. $5.70 per car. Are you serious? It's $10 round trip. There's no freaking way. I don't believe you. I'm talking about round trip, not single side. Round trip. Is it really $10.40? Oh my God. Ugh. 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 That is horrible. That is so bad. Dude. Ugh. Would you believe me if I said I'm not getting that rate? $4.36. And that is a round trip or single leg? Let's see, futures commissions. Okay. NQ. Dude. No, it's like $4.70, right? Are you in the live personal account already? No. Let me check my email. 26 minutes ago. They're doing it. They're in the process of setting it up. Boop. Oh, shoot. Dude, did I just... Hold on. I just accidentally closed my trading platform. You idiot. What a moron. Ah! Hold on. I just closed Top Step X. Maybe that's a sign from the market gods. They don't want me to trade anymore. Come on, do the thing. There we go. Okay. Okay. And... Okay. And... Okay. There we go. Sweet. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. That's my jam. There we go. Market's still coming down. We are 150-ish points, 140 points off the highs. Lock it, boss. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do a poll. You tell me. So 54% said above 21,600. We did tickle above that level. You weren't wrong. 23% said happy Friday. Well, dude, happy Friday to you. Thank you. That's so nice. Should we continue to trade? Yes. Keep going. No. Market. Trade. Practice. All right. There's your poll. See what you folks want to do here. Dude, it's drilling. Center of the earth drilling. Jesus. We're drilling straight to 500. Drill, baby, drill. Let's see how many responsible folks we have in chat here. Only 111 votes, but we got 1,400 people watching. Wow, look at that bounce. That's what makes it scary, huh? Welcome to OPEX. What a bounce. Look at that. No chill on the bounce either. Just straight up. Wonder if we're still going to drill to 500. Yeah, look at that. Big, heavy offers here. Yo. Very heavy offers. Very, very heavy offers still. Let's get these votes in, folks. Only 239 votes so far. Get those votes in. We bounce at VWAP. If we break VWAP, it's going to be curtains. What a tremendous sell-off so far, huh? %64% say keep going. Get your votes in. Keep going. We're bumping up against the VWAP again. Break a VWAP, we can get in this. All right, we're going to take it short. Break a VWAP for the downside. Looking for 500s to trade. That's what we're looking for, to the downside here. If we don't pick this up quickly, then we'll likely bounce probably above 550 here. Let's see. Let's see if we can break down below. This is a good area in the S&Ps as well. Big area for a breakdown. Big, big area for a breakdown. This bounce could be tremendous, though. Big 124 lot at 530. I was going to say 130. At 530. If we take out that liquidity. We did, adding to that, we took out that liquidity at 530. Let's see if we can have this continuation. Rejection at 550 would be lovely. That's what I'd be looking for on this tremendous move back down. Take out liquidity again at 530 here. Watching. We're kind of holding this 530 push. Still holding 530. the bounce is above 550, we'll probably have to get out of this thing. Okay, there's our 550. Do we reject here? Adding to that, 550 rejection. Below 540, we can add again. We're watching here. Adding again. Watching the sweep of 540. 530. Beautiful. Nice. Beautiful rejection there. And I'm going to put this right there. Can we break 520? Come on. Just do it. Below VWAP is so nice. Just do it. All right, we're stopped up. $5,100. Congratulations for everybody who voted for me. Continue to trade. Good job, everybody. We did it. Ryan says, ooh, nice trade. Gosh, if we broke that VWAP, that's good for another 100 points. Just got to be right on the timing there. The ads at 550 are what got us into the Profecito there. Thank you, Jeff. Appreciate you, buddy. Can we get a 10K? I want more. It's not enough. We got some gangsters in the chat here. My God. So if that teaches you anything, it says, don't be shy. Pick the level there. There. Now we're going to cut through. Timing on this thing. Did one more pump up to 35s. That's the move I originally wanted. Market, why? That's the one I originally wanted. No FOMO, lock it, boss. So that's the thing. Don't get scared when the position goes against you. Instead, look at it as an opportunity, because if the book hasn't changed, it's giving you an opportunity to lower your cost average on a short like that. And why are we doing it now? Why couldn't we just do it 5 seconds ago? You dirty, dirty market. Why do you do this to me, market? Lock it up. The more trades a person takes, the higher the likelihood it goes south. Yes, that's true. More frequency that you have in the market, the likelihood that you will have a losing trade is greater than not. Folks, again, if you are enjoying the stream, please do me a favor, hit that lucky like button. I do this for you, folks. This is why we go live every single day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. in the morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time, 5 a.m. Pacific, 7 a.m. Central time. Yeah, I would have been out of this by now since we cleared below the VWAP. I would have probably, you saw how fast I was taking liquidity out of the market and then adding it back in. Ken Crawford says, people lose at this? You'd be surprised. You'd be surprised, my friend. It's always easy to watch in hindsight. I suggest getting yourself a practice account, giving yourself a whirl. It's a very difficult thing trading. I lost for 3 years straight, my friend. 3 years straight. Every single day I thought I'd have it, and then you get smacked in the face. What it allowed me to do is to realize that you have to be confident in your trades. I'm often wrong, but let's just say I get scared on that pull back there. I'm not able to add closer to the 50s. I said 50s how many times when I said, if we get a pump into the 50s, that's where I can add into this thing. But if we exceed the 50s, we start getting a pop above those 50s, I'm out of that trade. That would have been a losing trade, right? So the idea is when the position goes against you, you say, that's an opportunity, not a cause for concern. It's an opportunity that the market is giving you. For instance, let's say you're looking for longs, a pullback below VWAP. If you saw something in the tape that is the long side, you look at that as an opportunity. You don't get scared. Okay? So you have hotkey set up for top step? Nope, I'm doing it with this. By the way, this is the greatest mouse of all time. I highly recommend this to anybody out there. This is the greatest mouse of all time. I had carpal tunnel coming on. This mouse is, I think, 14 grams light. This is the Razer Viper Mini Signature Edition. Very good mouse. The polling latency on this thing, very, very low. And it has these cutouts. It's amazing. And my wrist does not hurt anymore. You know, my wrist stopped hurting a lot after I married my wife. It was a weird correlation. I couldn't figure it out. But we are pushing up here back up to the 50s. Big fan of Razor products. It's all you use. My goodness. Wow, you're right. Look at that VWAP. My VWAP was wrong. Isn't it crazy how the session VWAP works and then when you bring it out and the bigger one doesn't? It's crazy. For real, you need balls of steel to enter those types of trades. Take time to get good at. Yeah, and you can be wrong. You have to be prepared to lose. Like, listen, it correlates with poker very, very well. When you're in a hand of poker, you have no idea whether you're going to win or lose unless you have the stone cold nuts. What does that mean in poker? It's not a vulgar term. The stone cold nuts means that you have the best hand and cannot be beat. Do you know what I mean? It's very rare that you're going to be in that situation, so you never know if you're really going to win. But a part of the game is like believing in the line that you're taking, because you have to, because if you're showing weakness, your opponent can exploit that weakness. It's a lot very similar to trading in the sense that you have to know what your setup is that you're trading in that moment. If you don't know what you're looking for, like when I enter that trade, I have certain levels that I'm looking for. And that's why I'm calling them out live to you. I'm saying, hey, if we pull back to the 50s, that's sort of my backstop on this trade. We pull back to the 50s and what did we see? Thicker offers. They're not done selling it. There's people that are jumping on board to try to sell this market. They're doing it on the offer. That's what I want to see. Can we blow out and go higher? Of course, but I'm going to lose on that trade and probably get right back in. 14 grams. But that's the whole functionality that I'm looking for in that trade. It serves its purpose when we have a pullback because I can add to it. And that's why I'm not plopping on 15 contracts straight away. I'm starting with 2 lot clips, add, straight back down, release. Take them out. I'm joining the bid to get out of that position. Joining the bid. It is the Razor Viper Mini Signature Edition. Razor Viper Mini Signature Edition. What did I miss here? Rosie. Jeff here says, you're a good breakout trader, Rips. I like the ad strategy. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate you. Why do people say it bounced off of VWAP when it was 40 points away? Because it was the session VWAP, actually. It actually was a functional VWAP, just the session VWAP. Love when we get the Rip sound effect. No, I'm not sponsored by Razor. It'd be nice, though. All right, I'm going to end the poll here. You know, $5,100 is a great way to go into the weekend, especially since we don't have any trades on Monday. I would assume that I would have done very similarly in my own personal brokerage account. Let me see if it's set up yet. No emails yet. Sorry, Tuesdays when we're going to be trading again, folks. There is no stream on Monday because it is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Maybe 10K would be better. You know, it's just a number. You know, here's the trick with trading, by the way. I know we're all so obsessive about days because prop firms have kind of conditioned us as traders to look at each day meaning something. How about this? Look at trading as one very long session, and it becomes easier to deal with your red days. It's one very long, large session. Like this week, 2 steps forward, 2 steps back, and then today, we have a green day. But if I look at it as one long session, I came out the other side green this week. So who cares? I'm happy. I did a good thing. It's just one long session. Stop being so bothered if you have red on your screen. You're gonna have red on your screen. You will. It's part of the function of trading. Get over it. You're gonna have red often on your screen. I've seen very good traders have a 20% win rate, which means that they're losing 8 days out of 10. But those 2 days that they do win, they're making big money. Day 5, $200 payout, eligible XFAs. Nice work. Give it up for Dan Emmons in the chat. Good for you, buddy. If you look at it for just as the perspective that it's one long session, you will be able to quiet those little greedy gremlins that are within you when you have a red day and you're saying, I should trade more. Knock it off. It's okay. It's not a big deal. The market's going to be open on Tuesday. The market's going to give us opportunities on Tuesday. So if you missed that drive up to the moon today, oh frickin' well, boo friggity hoo. It's okay. Market's going to be back on Tuesday. If you don't think the market is going to give you an opportunity on Tuesday, you're crazy. I promise you that there will be a 10-minute period in the market where it will give you a blessed opportunity. So if you go into the market with that mindset, you're going to do a heck of a lot better than the person who's like, I'm red today. I'm angry. I got to get it back. No, you don't. Stop it. That's how you drive your account into the ground. I'm being dead serious, by the way. Tuesday gonna be a banger, bruv. Yes. Yes, it is, isn't it? Nice work there, Mike. Passing over Combine. Hey, I'm new here. I took a wrong trade and lost 4K. Too much size, my friend. I should have kept small and taken it a little easy. Didn't follow your lead. Don't follow my lead. I'm a moron. Don't follow my lead. So I wonder if that was it for the sellers this morning. Makes you wonder, huh? Yeah, so it's going to be a 4-day week next week. We get a 3-day weekend this weekend. So if you're done trading, you get to be done until, well, Monday afternoon if you're that much of a, I need to trade. Markets are open. Do I stream after I get off YouTube? Yes. I always do. We often miss the likes benchmark, by the way. We often miss it, which I don't understand why. If I was here watching the stream, I'd shoot a like over my way. I stream live every single day, my friend. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Fridays. If you ever miss a stream, you can always go back and watch in the stream archive for free on the YouTube channel here. Hold on. Something about the ceasefire thing, hostage thing. I missed it. I was yapping. Dang it. I'm waiting for it to pop up now. Look at this, though, for my people who love Spaceman BTC. Look at that. Huh. Look at that rejection. SW, that's calling your name, my friend. SW, paging SW. That's your setup, buddy. This is called the SW. Beep boo. And it's short, too. This is your direction, my friend. That's you. That's like your bread and butter, my friend. You got like the salted butter, you got like the bacon bits and the cheese, the Gruyere and the bread. That's your setup, my friend. I'm thinking about SW right now. Isn't that funny? Your name is SW. I'm thinking about the steakhouse SW. Anyway. What are you using for your news data feed? I have every single squawk in BT. BT is stupidly overpriced. There's probably, I mean, Benzinga is probably just as good, right? Benzinga has a news feed. Maybe Reuters has something that's cheaper. I don't know. Not confident in shorts yet. I don't blame you. Somebody was really confident up at 680. Did anybody nail the top at like 680? When was your last withdrawal and how much? I took a withdrawal yesterday for $69, 420 cents. And it was able to pay for my bills. That's why the VWAP can get me in trouble because it won't stay in correct place in TSX. Yeah, that's one of the things they need to fix, which I don't know if they can because it's more of a trading view issue, right? Have a runner for 651. Dude, you are a goat. Is that a goat sound? That's a goat, right? Ribs, why didn't you go with IBKR for personal account? I don't know what their margins are. And I think you have to trade on their platform, don't you? Don't you have to trade on their platform? Dude, did we have a level up there? No. I gotta check. Oh my word. Did we ever? And look at this. We're dancing at the 539s, huh? One day Goldman's gonna be like, all right, guys, we're done using the MC levels. Their platform sucks. I mean, it's good for like if you're like more of a PM style of trader. You know what I mean? It works with TradingView. Oh, Snoop snaps. Dang. Well, I didn't know that. I had no idea. Well, I don't know. What do they charge for a round trip? That's the question. I want to get up to PB levels, baby. Prime broker. Can we run it up 100K to 10 mil? MC levels, market clubhouse levels, they publish them. I publish them. They're published every single day in the Discord before the market is open. If you want the free ones, they don't include the futures levels. The free ones are posted every single day to various brokerages, but you could just search Google for the Market Clubhouse Morning Memo. Can you put 100 NQ lots on your new live account? No, because I'd need 200,000. My margins are 2K. Well, 10%. So like 2,200 per contract. So I deposited 100 G's, so no, I could not put on 100 lots. I could if it was AMP, but it's not AMP. But even then it would get insta liquidated, so no. I know, if I can't put on 100 lots, I'm kind of a buster, I guess. This indicator over here is Spaceman, BTC right there. Boy, this thing is doing the wiggle right now, isn't it? There's a little wiggle. How much money do you need to keep two NQ overnight? 45,000, let's say. 45,000 in the account to keep 2 on overnight. I had a call with Iron Beam. I will offer more information next week, probably. Is it worth it to keep overnight? I mean, if you have a good trade, sure. Maybe you thought the longs were good for overnight, but I mean, the thing is, like, the overnight is like an hour. The maintenance period for overnight is 1 hour. Oh my God, look at this thing go down. Like a prom date in a movie theater. Oh my goodness. This market compared to pre-hours, it's almost like the big guys are done for the day. Yeah, it's crazy, right? What's the Iron Beam cost for a round tripper? TF, I posted it on my Twitter account if you want to see. Right there, at Selling Rips. Beep, bop. It seems like once it gets to the American Open, the market acts a donkey. It does seem like that from time to time, usually caused by general disagreement. However, if you're short off the Open, you made a ton of money. If you were short off this Open, you made a ton of cash. Nice work there, National. Are those Express accounts? Wait, hold on. What the? Dude. Homie. My man. Let's go. You got $11,000 in your Express funded accounts. Is it payout time? Take a little cream off the top there. Yeah, maybe Tuesday we'll have a new stream layout for the thing. How long you live stream every day? 8 a.m. Eastern until whenever. If we don't get the likes, we usually leave before the market open. We continue streaming in Clubhouse. So if you want to join us in Clubhouse, which I don't really recommend, but if you're curious, check it out for 7 days. If you're curious, like a cat, like a jungle cat. Wow. Exactly. What do you think of TPT? Never used them. Only used Top Step and Apex. Apex, I took a $20,000 payout. Never used them again. And I've been trading on Top Step ever since. After your first payout, the 50% one, do you lose the remaining 50% and can you withdraw it after 30 days of profitability? You can withdraw it after 30 days of profitability. That money stays in your account. You continue trading. Rivs, genuine question. Does the fee make that big of a difference? You don't trade a high volume, so there's a couple bucks a trade going to have any real impact on your bottom line? Probably not, no. But I'd much rather be paying lower costs than what is offered at certain brokerages. But it's more about the relationship. Like the broker that I went with, they're going to be putting a daily loss limit on my account. I have a direct line to the person basically at the trade desk where if I'm in a pickle, I can say, hey, flatten all now, lock me out of the account now, etc. That's all you really need from a broker. At the end of the day, the broker's not going to make you a better trader, but you want to have a broker you could trust, and that's it. Which VWAP indicator you use? The VWAP. The one that's called VWAP. Of course, VWAP. What is Market Clubhouse? Is it a paid subscription? It is. That's why I say I don't recommend it. What's better than paid? Free, which is what these streams are every single day. The only thing that you get from being in a Clubhouse is the fact that I continue streaming live there if we don't get enough likes, and there's zero latency. YouTube has a lag on it, so if you're interested in lower latency, I suppose, if that's important to you. Also, we have an amazing group in there, but again, I don't want any trash in there. So that's why I always say, like, don't join. Just don't join. And I'm not saying you're trash, but I'm just saying I like the group that we have in there. We have a really solid group in there, and it's nice. So just stick around for the free stuff. How do you recognize liquidity in the market with confidence? Bookmap is my key, but it's more than that. It's not like I can look at Bookmap and I just knew inherently from the first day of using it. You have to train yourself on how to use Bookmap and understand how liquidity pull patterns work in the market. Just curious, I hear people complain about the fees all the time, but it's such a small impact in trading. It's not like the rake on a cruise ship poker table. That must be really bad. The rake on a cruise ship. 60 cents for a micro round trip? So what is it, $6 for a mini round trip? Rips don't want the brew polluted. You got it. What was I going to say? Yeah, the fees. The fees do matter if you're scalping often. There's people who do trade a lot of size. Not size, but the amount of contracts, the frequency in which they're trading, it adds up, right? So if you're like getting in and out of like a 2 contract position, you're very scalpy, those commissions can add up, because if you look at it over a year, if you can find a broker that's giving you like 60% on whatever you're using, you're going to save 60% on your yearly fees. Like, it's going to add up. Like when I traded equities, I traded huge amounts of volume in equities because I traded small caps. Small caps generally are pretty cheap. I never traded like micro, like sub $1 often, but there were times when I did. I think the most volume that I traded in a day, notional wise, was like $120 million. So it's like, that's a broker where it does matter, the commissions that you're paying. And if you're using a special route where you're like getting rebates, you can actually get paid to trade, and that's a whole nother story. Same doesn't exist in futures as far as I'm aware. So there you go. Do you think you're done trading for the day? I do. I think given that we are chopping here, this is very much like a Mopex day. This is more of what people are asking me, is Mopex always like this? This is what Mopex is usually like. This just grinds people to death. You get what looks like, look at this test down here. This looked like we were gonna break, and people piled in short from here and then probably added to it, and now they're like getting booty blasted and blown out here. It's like a free meal at Chipotle, a bathroom blowout. So, yeah, not a great setup for me. Even though we opened higher today, we continue the pattern of opening range being the dead high many days the past couple weeks. It's true. Very true. Do you make more with trading or poker? I've made more with poker in the last... How long have I been here? Wait. This is gonna be my 8th month since I moved. I've made way more money in poker than I have traded. Way more. Way more. Maybe now that we're gonna be trading a personal on stream, maybe that changes. Or maybe we just blow it all in 2 days. Who knows? Yeah, see, this is the thing where it's like, this is like tempting those longs. The best long was here, though. Best long was here. Right? No. How big of an account did you open? 100 racks. 100 jizzles. 100K. I think you made more in one night of poker than all your trading. I mean, we did have a good day. I've yet to make $1 million yet since I moved out here in a single day of poker. That would be sick. And it's very possible. Very, very possible. I've seen other people do it. Haven't watched in a while. Are you not trading on Top Step anymore? Do you see this? This is Top Step. Right there. You see? Right there. That's Top Step. What's the most you made in one poker session? It was actually split between 2 sessions in the same day. And it was less than $1 million, but more than 500K. Where were you before? Before what? I don't know. Where was I? What are you talking about? If you make $1 million in a day at the table, you need to get us those shirts. What's the shirts? Maybe back in Vegas last week of April if we don't go to the F1 race in Miami. Come hang out, National. We're breaking above the previous day high now. Interesting. I don't know if this thing has the legs, but if it starts to really start running. Volume shelf is at 590. So if we break above 590, this thing is going to cook. Oh, I was in California. Don't like it. Hated it. Hated being in California. Never trading Clubhouse again. Wouldn't we rather have like some Clubhouse logos on a shirt instead of that? Poker winnings from high stakes cash game reported. Yeah, of course. I have an account at the MGM properties, at the Wynn properties. Yes, it's all, there's certain ways to skirt around that, but I don't do that. I have everything is in my player account. So yes, it's consistently reported. Is that, I don't know what I'm looking at here. What is all this? Looks like a workout area, or is that something else? What am I looking at, Yordi? Is that your torture chamber? I can delete that for you. There you go. Johnny Dundee says California hates you too. Thanks, man. Am I not allowed to express my opinion? Why are you so mean? That's not very nice. Why would you say that? That's just not very nice. House is definitely still standing in Cali. It's not burned down. So you trade on Top FX or Top Step? Top Step. Top Step. You were mean. Yes, very much so. Why'd you move from San Diego? The taxes were a big deal for me. I didn't enjoy paying the taxes, and I didn't feel like I was getting the bang for my buck. And I had a house. I mean, I've been wanting to move to Nevada for over 10 years now, and finally pulled the trigger, and I couldn't be happier. I love it here. Best restaurants, best entertainment. You have these beautiful structures that are built on the backs of degenerates. It's a beautiful place. Yeah, California weather's great, but you know, I don't really mind having seasons here. Yes, old house in California is still standing, of course. All right, Royal Trades, we'll see you next time, buddy. Take care, amigo. Do you count cards at the table? Yes. I count and make sure there's 52 every single time that they are dealing to us. Take care, Karen. See ya. All right, well, I think it's that time that we wrap things up over here like a responsible teenager before he slips it in. I'll see you folks on Tuesday, and I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be a lovely, lovely day on Tuesday. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you. And we'll see you bright and early on Tuesday. We're locking it up here, $5,100 in our Top Step Live Funded account. Good day, good day, good day. Actually, I'm going to do the thing. I'm going to lock it right now, just so you folks know. Locked all day. Bingo, bango. There we go. $5,100 locked for the rest of the day until Tuesday. Well, Monday afternoon, but take care, everybody. I love y'all. Be safe this weekend. Don't drink and drive. If you are going to drink, call an Uber, call a Lyft. It's not worth ruining your life over a couple drinks, right? Call an Uber, call a Lyft. They're very cheap. Don't ruin your life over that. Be safe out there. Enjoy your time with your family and friends. We'll see you back here. Take care. Folks in Discord, don't go anywhere. I'll be with you.